Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro dollar did end up breaking with momentum today. And today I was talking about how we could get a move to the upside, but after you see a nice solid break of structure like that, that is a big difference between like a rejection of structure. That is a momentum break of structure. That tells me that it is definitely a significant turn. It is also more likely three waves up right here, so there's a pretty good chance we're going to make a bigger move to the downside. This may even be like a wave B, and this now is going down for a wave C on like the 4 hour time frame. So I would be recommending shorts at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of probably a wave C on like the 4 hour and daily. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.